Oh, what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box?
Hello and welcome to an episode of What's in the Box. We just got this fancy box from FedEx and want to find out what's inside of it. You already know because you read the description, and I already know because I ordered it. But that doesn't mean we can't have some fun. Well, there it is. Pixel 6. So let's find out what's inside this box. Got these easy to remove little tabs here. Look at that. There is a phone inside of it. Got a cool little cover on it. There is a adapter for USB-C to regular type, and a charging cable, and a little book with a bunch of stuff you'll never read. And other stuff you'll never read. And then that's for getting the old SIM card out. So there we go. That's what's in the box.